So hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use Clean Lean. Alright, so this is a demonstration of how easy it is to mix Clean Lean. So it's easy because I could just wake up in the morning, I could do my Clean Lean, 2 scoops. I do as a snack, I do 1 scoop with meals, and it's very simple. Okay, so I always say if a guy can do it, anybody can do it because we're all for making things, right? So we're all for cooking. So here we go. So it's real simple. I have one of these blender bottles from it's like one of those like magic bullet things, right? But I also have a blender bottle here. And then I have a choice of unsweetened almond milk or unsweetened coconut milk. So I have here unsweetened almond milk, and then lastly water. Now Clean Lean is very thick, so when you make it, just realize that it actually has a nice thick taste to it. So I like using water, but you do have the choice of almond milk. Okay, so here we go. So if you can put your timer on, you can see how long it actually takes me to do it. So this is a guy. So I'm gonna do the chocolate stevia one. And as you know, that there's one with stevia and there's one with monk fruit, and both Dutch chocolate and creamy French vanilla. Okay, so sometimes I go back and forth. So they're both really rich, but honestly, I probably go with chocolate right now, okay, because I like chocolate. All right, here we go. So I take the Clean Lean. When you open it up, there's actually a scooper inside, and I'll use this for now. Okay, so make sure you're timing this. This has to be under 15 seconds. So here we go. I go for 1 level scoop here, and then I'll put another level scoop, okay? Good, I put that in here. All right, I'll even close the top on it, okay? I add water. Now you want to use anywhere between 8 to 12 ounces of water, okay? I put the top on, and then literally, I shake it, okay? Good, nothing sticks, and I drink. It is really good. So that is how you do Clean Lean. It takes less than 15 seconds. I didn't time it because it's a little hard doing a video and timing it, but really good. It's really thick. Has a really good chocolatey taste. And if you like hot chocolate, it's a really good hot chocolate. Whether you choose chocolate or vanilla, they're both really, really good. All right. Have a great day, and thanks for watching the video.